A woman who possesses these qualities will be much better off in her relationships, profession, and personal development. A woman can develop a strong sense of self and make decisions that are consistent with her values and objectives by having confidence and independence. Relationships, communication, stress management, and maintaining a positive outlook can all be enhanced by emotional intelligence. A woman can overcome obstacles and keep her life in balance by practicing resilience and self-care. A woman who is assertive can speak for herself and effectively express her demands and boundaries. A woman's ability to lead can enable her to have a good impact on her community and motivate others to follow suit. Here are 8 signs that a woman have a strong personality. Number 1. Confidence. Strong women have a strong sense of self-assurance and believe in themselves and their abilities. Confidence is a key trait of strong women. They trust in their own abilities and believe that they can handle whatever challenges come their way. This self-assurance allows them to approach situations with a positive and determined mindset, and they are not easily discouraged by obstacles. A strong sense of confidence also enables strong women to make decisions with conviction and to pursue their goals with determination. It's important to note that confidence is not the same as arrogance, and strong women are able to balance their confidence with humility and a willingness to learn and grow. Confidence allows strong women to live their lives on their own terms and to inspire others with their positive example. Number 2. Independent. Strong women are able to take care of themselves and make decisions without relying on others. Independence is another hallmark of strong women. They are self-sufficient and able to handle their own needs and responsibilities. This doesn't mean that strong women don't value relationships or support from others, but rather that they are able to take care of themselves and make decisions without relying on others to do so. They are comfortable being alone and have a strong sense of self, which allows them to be independent in their thinking and actions. This independence gives strong women a sense of freedom and empowerment, and allows them to pursue their goals and aspirations without being held back by others. At the same time, strong women are able to form healthy relationships based on mutual respect and support, as they recognize the value of having a supportive network in their lives. Number 3. Emotional intelligence. Strong women are able to recognize and manage their emotions, as well as understand and empathize with the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence is another key trait of strong women. They are in touch with their own emotions and are able to recognize and manage them in a healthy way. This allows them to respond to difficult situations in a calm and controlled manner, and to avoid letting their emotions control their behavior. Strong women are also able to understand and empathize with the emotions of others, which helps them to build strong relationships based on mutual understanding and respect. This emotional intelligence enables strong women to navigate complex social situations with grace and ease, and to effectively communicate with others in a way that builds trust and understanding. By being in touch with their own emotions and understanding the emotions of others, strong women are able to create a supportive and positive environment for themselves and those around them. Number 4. Resilience. Strong women are able to bounce back from challenges and setbacks and remain persistent in the face of adversity. Resilience is a critical trait of strong women. They are able to bounce back from challenges and setbacks and remain persistent in the face of adversity. This ability to recover from adversity and continue pursuing their goals sets strong women apart from those who give up or become defeated by life's challenges. Strong women have a positive outlook and a growth mindset, which allows them to learn from their experiences and to continuously improve and grow. They also have a strong support system, including friends, family, or a supportive community, which helps them to remain resilient in the face of difficulties. By demonstrating resilience, strong women inspire others to persevere and to overcome their own challenges. This trait allows strong women to live fulfilling and meaningful lives and to make a positive impact on the world around them. Number 5. Assertiveness. Strong women are able to assert themselves in a confident and effective manner without being aggressive or pushy. Assertiveness is a key trait of strong women. They are able to express themselves confidently and effectively without being aggressive or pushy. This ability to assert themselves allows strong women to communicate their needs, opinions, and boundaries in a clear and concise manner, which helps to build mutual respect in their relationships. Strong women are able to stand up for themselves and others, and to advocate for what they believe in. At the same time, they are able to listen to others and to consider different perspectives, which helps to build understanding and resolve conflicts in a peaceful and effective way. Assertiveness allows strong women to be effective leaders and to create positive change in the world around them. By being assertive, strong women are able to live their lives on their own terms and to inspire others to do the same. Number 6. Self-care. Strong women prioritize their own physical and mental well-being and make time for self-care and self-reflection. Self-care is another important trait of strong women. They understand the importance of taking care of themselves, both physically and mentally, and prioritize their own well-being. This means making time for self-care activities, such as exercise, healthy eating, and relaxation, as well as engaging in self-reflection and personal growth. Strong women recognize that self-care is not selfish, but rather a critical component of leading a healthy and fulfilling life. By taking care of themselves, strong women are able to be at their best and to effectively support others in their lives. Self-care also helps strong women to maintain their resilience and to bounce back from challenges, as they have the physical and mental energy to do so. By prioritizing self-care, strong women are able to live their lives with purpose and meaning, and to make a positive impact on the world around them. Number 7. Leadership. Strong women are natural leaders who inspire and guide others towards their goals. Leadership is another hallmark of strong women. They have the ability to inspire and guide others towards their goals and to create positive change in the world around them. Strong women are effective communicators and are able to motivate and encourage others to take action towards their aspirations. They are confident and assertive and are able to make difficult decisions when necessary. At the same time, strong women are also able to listen to others and to create a positive and supportive environment for those around them. They are empowering and encouraging and are able to bring out the best in others. By demonstrating leadership, strong women inspire others to be their best selves and to make a positive impact on the world. Whether in the workplace, in their communities, or in their personal lives, strong women are natural leaders who bring out the best in those around them. Number 8. Integrity. Strong women have strong moral and ethical principles and always act with honesty and authenticity. Integrity is a defining characteristic of strong women. They have a strong sense of moral and ethical principles and always act with honesty and authenticity. They stand up for what they believe in and are committed to doing what is right even when it is difficult. Strong women are guided by their values and are not afraid to make difficult decisions or to speak out against injustice. They are trustworthy and are respected by those around them for their honesty and authenticity. Strong women are also true to themselves and are not afraid to be themselves, even if it means going against the norm. By living with integrity, strong women inspire others to do the same and to create a more just and ethical world. By always acting with honesty and authenticity, strong women are able to build strong and meaningful relationships and to make a positive impact on the world around them. Thank you for watching Topwise, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel because fantastic content is on the way.